Woo! We did it! Thank you guys so much for hitting that subscribe button. I really appreciate all y'all hopping over to my YouTube channel that we're just launched yesterday, and 100 of you have subscribed. So thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for subscribing to the new channel. Y'all helped me out tremendously, and got me over that 100 subscriber hurdle. So the next goal is 200, man. So definitely looking forward to pumping out some more content for you guys. Been talking with a bunch of guys, brainstorming some video ideas. So Will, I see you on there. Appreciate you chatting with me about it. We're gonna shoot some stuff. Hopefully soon, man. And tomorrow's Freedom Friday, so we'll probably do a Freedom Friday YouTube video for Retrow's Rants and Raves, and show you what it's all about. So hopefully, if y'all get a chance, come on out to Freedom Friday. We'll go sit down and eat some tacos. It'll be great, and we can shoot some video and just talk about kind of. I think a couple of things that I'm looking forward to doing is asking people kind of share their stories of how we met and how the motorcycle community has brought people together from all different walks of life. And so for a couple of y'all that might come out, I'd like to get you on camera talking about how we met and what made us start hanging out perhaps, and just in general the ways that riding motorcycles has helped made the world a smaller place. So yeah, man. Ron, we appreciate you, man. Mike, what's up, dude? Good to see you. I hope you guys have all subscribed to the channel. Look forward to doing more. We'll be out at the Barnyard Flea Market tomorrow at noon for Freedom Friday. Definitely going to shoot some video. Really hoping to get some opportunities to hop on a couple different motorcycles and maybe shoot some kind of ride and review type stuff. And then there's I definitely want to spend some time on a lot of guys around here ride Groms, and they're the coolest little bikes ever. And I'd like to teach my wife to ride this year. And that might be a good bike to try to start out on, so we'll see. But that's definitely another series coming up, is that she has agreed to let me or somebody else teach her how to ride a motorcycle. So I'm definitely excited about doing that. She looks so fine on a bike, as do I'm sure all of y'all's ladies out there. Just something about a girl on a motorcycle that makes you stop and think, wow, look at that, so definitely looking forward to getting her on a bike this year. Hopefully we can get her trained up enough to do an overnight weekend trip somewhere. That's my goal, is to be able to hop on a bike and ride somewhere with my wife, spend a weekend there. And so definitely gonna shoot some video with that, teaching her how to ride, the ups and downs and everything in between. It's happening, honey. You're doing it. Can't get out of it. It's on Facebook. You can't put anything on Facebook that's not anyway. So yeah, man, thank you guys for subscribing. Appreciate y'all checking out the channel. Check out the two videos that I posted on there yesterday. And Rob Reeves, thank you so much, man. Appreciate you subscribing there. What was I going to say? So, yeah, yesterday I got locked out of the house, fixed a shower. Today I had to fix a dishwasher. Anyway, I got that done. So, hopefully, not too much of the channel is going to be just kind of everyday. Some of it will be like DIY stuff. So, there'll probably be some different playlists on there talking about a couple different things. So, and definitely going to keep it light. But just talking about old school living in a modern world, you know. That's kind of the premise, the tagline that I've come up with. And so obviously with the name like Retrow, there's a lot of throwback inspiration in my life, and kind of living the biker lifestyle is definitely an old school thing to do. And I'm excited too. The past couple of years I had kind of been cleaning up my look a little bit. I cut the hair, trimmed the beard, and shaped all that up, and now I've kind of let that go a little bit, and I feel that this has given me the ability to be a little more retro, if you know what I mean. So growing the hair back out, and growing the beard out, and just gonna try to show people what it's like to live life as an old school biker, and a dad and a father and a husband and business owner, entrepreneur, all that kind of stuff. So man, really excited about everything that's coming up with the channel, and just learning a ton. I was doing some research last night, kind of on how to be a good YouTuber. So I definitely want to give you guys some good stuff to watch. I am going to share the interview that we did a couple years ago, where Don and Michael Sanfilippo from our Disciple Live TV had interviewed me on the show a couple years ago. So I'm going to be posting that up on the channel soon. So for all you new Disciple supporters or folks that have just met me recently, there will be some good club history coming up on there, and the quality's terrible. I'm sorry for the quality. It's like 360p, so don't expect high def stuff. This was 3 years ago when we were just starting out with Disciple Live TV, but there's a ton of great club history that we talk about, kind of what it was like to start the motorcycle club, what it's been like to be there from the beginning, and kind of our heartbeat behind why we do Disciple. And so I'll be sharing that on the Retrows, Rants, and Raves YouTube channel. Hopefully I can get it up tonight. I might take a little more time and do some commentary along with it, or I might just put it out there the way it is, and then add some to it later. But definitely, if you're on there, hit that subscribe button, click the bell notification icon so you get notified whenever the new videos drop, and keep an eye out for new videos coming from Retrows, Rants, and Raves, man. Thank you guys for tuning in. Appreciate y'all. Thanks for helping me get over that 100 subscriber hurdle. That's a big in a day, you guys, in a day. Thank you, y'all made this happen, and I'm super appreciative for people that stop and pause to watch my videos, and hopefully I'm entertaining to some extent, and informative as well. But yeah, man, living old school in a modern world. So drop a comment down below what it means to you to be old school, what it means to be old school, what it's like to live an old school lifestyle. And definitely keep an eye out for more videos. As you see me asking questions on my Facebook page and looking for feedback, like what do you keep in your prospect kit, definitely expect to see a video about that coming up soon. I'm really excited to do that. I like being prepared for different situations on the road, and so I've got actually maybe 2 or 3 different bags that are kind of ready to go if I'm traveling, or if I'm hopping on a bike or hopping on a different bike. I've got my kit. I got the bag. It's like for like $1 at a Goodwill, I found a digital camera bag, and it's perfect. It's got little different sections in it that all the stuff that I need on the road is in. So tools and little stuff that just makes life easier, like flashlights and some chewing gum and a little first aid kit, that kind of stuff. So definitely doing a what's in your prospect kit video soon. I appreciate all the feedback y'all have given me on what's in your prospect kit. So if you haven't seen that post on my Facebook wall, and if you've got something that you carry with you that you think, you know what, everybody needs to have one of these, definitely drop that in a comment for me, and I will try to mention it on our video. But thank you again, guys, for subscribing. I'm gonna head out of here, but we will see you in the next video. Later on.